Well, today we will install a wake-up tank cap. In the video, the fuel cap of the original car has been removed. The fuel tank cap of the original car is made up of 4 snaps. Let's see, this snap is stuck on the body. If it's not easy to disassemble, we can take the taillights down. Snap from the inside with a tool top snap. After removal, we install the fuel tank cap. It is also by these 4 snap. Then everyone pay attention, there's a dowel pin here. Let's coincide with this positioning hole on the body. After it coincides, let's shoot it hard. We're done with the installation. I'll put this in and get it stuck in it. Let's take a look. JK models. You need to use this rubber ring from your car. Also, before installation, open this tank cap and take it off. After installing the rubber ring, align the filler. Then align this pin with that positioning hole. In this way, we will install this cart after shooting it in. If it's a GOL model, this is the physical object of the base. Bigger than JK. Then our positioning pin looks like this. It is also coordinated with the positioning hole of the body to position the active. Then it is also fixed by 4 clips. Let's just shoot it in.